Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? In this video, we will show you a beautiful collection of modern new hijab dress ideas that will help you to look more elegant and more stylish. These are new stylish modern hijab dresses ideas which we hope you will like them. More unique hijab ideas, watch the video till the end. These are modern, attractive and unique dresses that you can wear to your next event. From hijabs to tunics to maxi dresses, we've got you covered. If you like today's video, please leave a comment in comment section and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel.